When we set our foot to deliver the results or the outcomes to our clients, can you help me understand and elaborate on each of the steps that we take to deliver the result?
Yeah, it needs to be looked at slightly differently because every task is slightly different than the other task. It depends upon nature of task. If somewhere the client said, for example, task A happens to be creating a brand language. So the task is different and the deliverables are different, time and all of that, it takes for a different kind of a course. For example, a B project wherein we're supposed to create a retail branding. That's a very different kind of a task. So each task there is a set outcome is expected from a client requirement. So we keep that first in mind. So I'm just telling you, like, our process is basically understanding what is the client brief. So once you understood the brief, what client is expecting from us, and then we will see that how do we translate that in the sense, maybe if it required research, maybe we need to start with research. If somewhere client says, hey, I already have a research, just use the research, what I have, analyze and present me strategy. Maybe we do analysis and strategy presentation. And after that, once the client agree with the strategy, then we move into ideation, execution, and manifesting whatever insight we came in the strategy into our design solutions. So roughly, if you see, it starts with the research, whether we do it, whether client provide us. And once we have that, we analyze it. That's a very critical thing. That's where the brand strategy part play a huge role in it. So that is where we come up with the prospective strategy through insights, or we create whatever needful thing. And after the latter stage is all about implementation of translating the strategy into a visual or whatever mode it required. So broadly, you can understand like that, strategy to implementation, there are steps are there in between. Those are slightly need-based, required-based, okay? So the bigger project need more amount of time. The smaller project, they might need lesser time. So that's another how time behaves. And thirdly, the intensity. Like for example, client want really a unique solution, then of course the intensity is very high here. So maybe we need to do in-depth research, and it takes more time because if you want to create something unique, it takes its own sweet time. So maybe like what is expected also directly impact on time and effort and all of that. So you're getting a clearer idea like how as an organization we approach to the solutions.
Yes.